One is around people that don't necessarily want to be on the technical side of cybersecurity. It's a GRC Infosec Risk Analyst. And what it
Okay.
is for companies to do business with the US government and to just be fully protected, you have to, what they have is called, I think, zero risk architecture. And so this risk analyst would come in and do an evaluation
Okay.
of your hardware and your software and your cyber posture, if you will. And then they write up a report about here's what they found, here's what their recommendations are to change. But really, you need people that have communication skills, writing skills. It's one of those programs that, again, it will lead to a cybersecurity job and a pretty well paying one, but you don't necessarily have to be the techie guy to do it.
Right.
In that program, you actually have a project that you have to complete as if you were going to do a risk analyst
Oh, so
audit.
it feels like a
It
real,
feels like
like
a
you're
real
at
thing
work.
with the software that you have to put in your
Wow.
findings and
Okay.
all those things. And then at the end, we have two experts that this is what they do. They mentor you all the way through, but then they critique your audit findings, if
Okay.
you will, your risk findings, and they tell you whether or not this would pass muster.
So you could take those results back into the real world.
Absolutely. Or you can use it as a portfolio.
Yeah.
Some of our cyber programming is a pathway into that field. So not only the ones that we have, but we have our partnership
Yeah.
programs where, again, the SOC 1 analysts and things, you take that, you go directly into that field. The other ones are really upskilling opportunities for people that if you, like I said, let's say you are an auditor or something and you're starting to get into cyber doing, you can take those skills that you had before, take this training and then go into that field. Now you're part of the cybersecurity workforce.